Good morning dear students, this is Shrishti Saxena and I am going to teach you English Literature class 2nd. My topic is Little Plant. In my previous videos, that is last two videos, that was video A, in part A and B, I have already explained you the exercises of the poem The Little Plant. This poem already explained to you. See this poem which I have already explained you in the previous videos. And I hope you all must have copied down in your fair copy this video. Then after these videos, what you have to do is, you have already written the meanings, RTCs. I have already discussed with you the little plant meanings, these three meanings, RTCs and question answers. See, and some question and answers based on these RTCs. Answer question number A, then B and C. Till here I have already given you in my previous videos, and after this we shall continue with two question and answers. See, our last question was name the poem and the poet in these lines. This we have already written. Name of the poem is Little Plant and the poet is Kate Louise Brown. After finishing this RTC, once you finished with this RTC 1, after the RTC you will continue this work in your copy. Answer the following. This only just this two question and answers you will note down in your copy. After this exercises of this poem will be finished. See the first question. Question number 1 is, who was buried in the ground? Who was buried? I told you the meaning of buried. Hid inside the ground. Who was buried in the ground? A seed was buried deep inside the ground. Who was buried? A seed was buried deep inside the ground. Then second question was, what did the seed contain in it? What was there inside the seed? The seed contained a little plant inside it. What the seed was contained? The seed contained a little plant inside it. See, in this poem you have to do only this work. Meanings you have to note down in your copy. After meanings, RTC, only one RTC I am giving you. Meanings, I am showing you the pictures again. I am showing you all the work again. These are meanings. RTC A, then B, then C, and after this just two questions. In this poem you will learn only just these two questions, RTCs and meanings. What you have to do? You have to learn lesson number 1, which I have already explained, the magical porridge pot. After this, once you finished with learning with the first chapter, you will continue with the second one. You all have to maintain your copy. I hope by now you all must have purchased your copies. Then Little Plant, name of the poem you will write. You will write all the lines of these poems in your copy. All the lines which are with the poet name you will write. After this, we will going to continue with the exercises, meanings, RTCs, A, B, C, and this is the last part of this poem. Part A and part B has already been uploaded on the YouTube, and this is the last part of this poem. And the next chapter I am going to continue in the next videos. Thank you.